Hello, and welcome to Talk English Every Day. I'm David, and today we are going to spend some time together talking about daily routines in real English. We will learn 40 useful idioms. Do not worry about the word idiom. An idiom is simply a common phrase with a special meaning. I will speak slowly. I will use easy words. I will repeat each phrase many times. You can listen, repeat, and practice with me. Imagine that we are spending one normal day together. We wake up, get ready, go to work, take breaks, come home, relax, and go to bed. Along the way, we will use 40 daily routine idioms. Ready? Take a breath. Let's begin our day together. It is 7 in the morning. My alarm rings. I open my eyes, but I do not want to get up. I want to stay in bed. The first idiom is hit the snooze button. It means to stop the alarm for a short time so you can sleep a little longer. I hit the snooze button. 5 minutes later, I hit it again. This is very common. Listen, hit the snooze button. Now you say it. Hit the snooze button. Good. Again. Hit the snooze button. Great. Now I really need to get up. I finally get out of bed. This phrase is simple, but native speakers use it all the time. Get out of bed. I get out of bed and wake up. To wake up means to stop sleeping. Say it with me. Wake up. I wake up at 7. You wake up at 7. Good. I walk to the bathroom. I need to freshen up. Freshen up means to wash your face, brush your teeth, and make yourself feel clean and fresh. I freshen up. Say it. Freshen up. I freshen up every morning. Good. Then I get ready. Get ready means prepare yourself. I get ready for work. You get ready for school. Say it slowly. Get ready. I get ready. You get ready. Excellent. Now I go to the kitchen. I make coffee and breakfast. I need to grab a bite. Grab a bite means eat a small amount of food, often quickly. I grab a bite before work. Maybe I eat some bread and fruit. Say it. Grab a bite. Good. I look at the clock. Oh no, it is late. I need to make a move. Make a move means start moving or start doing something. I need to leave now. I make a move and put on my shoes. Say it. Make a move. Nice. I leave my home. I am on the go. On the go means busy and moving from one place to another. I am on the go all morning. Say it. On the go. Again. I am on the go. Very good. On the way to work, I see a friend. He says, "How are you?" I say, "I'm good. I'm just getting into the swing of things." This is our 8th idiom. Get into the swing of things means become comfortable with a routine or activity. At the start of the day, I am still getting into the swing of things. Say it slowly. Get into the swing of things. Again, great. I arrive at work. I have many tasks. I need to get down to business. This means start doing the important work seriously. I sit at my desk and get down to business. Say it, get down to business. Good. My first task is easy. I get the ball rolling. Get the ball rolling means start something. I send the first message. Now the project can begin. I get the ball rolling. Say it. Get the ball rolling. Excellent. Soon I have many things to do. I need to keep on top of things. This means stay organized and know what needs to be done. I check my list. I answer messages. I keep on top of things. Say it. Keep on top of things. Again, keep on top of things. Nice. At 10, my friend asks for help. I say, sure, I can lend a hand. Lend a hand means help someone. I lend a hand to my friend. Say it. Lend a hand. Good. Again, lend a hand. At 11, I have too much work. I am snowed under. This does not mean real snow. It means I have too much work or too many things to do. I am snowed under with emails. Say it, snowed under. Very good. I work for another hour. Then I take a breather. Take a breather means stop for a short rest. I close my eyes. I take a breather. Say it. Take a breather. Good. Take a breather. Breathe slowly. After my short break, I return to work. I need to keep at it. Keep at it means continue and do not stop. I keep at it even when the work is hard. Say it. Keep at it. Again, keep at it. Great. At noon, it is lunchtime. I take a break. This means stop working for a short time. I take a break and eat lunch. Say it. Take a break. Easy, right? Take a break. After lunch, I feel tired. I need to pick up the pace. Pick up the pace means work or move faster. I have a deadline, so I pick up the pace. Say it. Pick up the pace. Good. At 2, I have a meeting. The meeting is long. I start to zone out. Zone out means stop paying attention for a short time. My eyes are open, but my mind is somewhere else. I zone out. Say it, zone out. Again, zone out. Good. My friend notices and says, "Stay with us." I smile and come back. Now I get back on track. Get back on track means return to the right plan or activity. I get back on track and listen carefully. Say it, get back on track. Nice. At 3, I finish one important task. I can cross something off my list. This means mark a task as finished. I cross one task off my list. It feels good. Say it, cross it off your list. Good. At 4, I have one more big task. I decide to wrap things up. Wrap things up means finish what you are doing. I wrap things up before 5. Say it. Wrap things up. Again, wrap things up. Excellent. At 5, work is finished. I call it a day. This means stop working because the workday is over. I close my computer and call it a day. Say it. Call it a day. Very good. Now I leave work. I am tired but happy. On the bus, I catch up with my friend. Catch up with someone means talk to them and learn what is new in their life. I catch up with my friend. Say it. Catch up with a friend. Good. When I get home, I take it easy. Take it easy means relax and not work too hard. I take it easy for a while. I sit on the sofa. Say it. Take it easy. Again, take it easy. My cat comes to me. She wants food. I take care of her. Take care of means look after someone or something. I take care of my cat. Say it. Take care of. Great. Then I cook dinner. Cooking takes time, but I enjoy it. After dinner, I clean up. Clean up means make a place clean. After using it, I clean up the kitchen. Say it. Clean up. Good. After that, I tidy up. Tidy up means put things in order. Clean up and tidy up are similar, but tidy up often means organize things. I tidy up my room. Say it. Tidy up. Excellent. Now the house is quiet. I want to relax. I kick back. Kick back means relax in a comfortable way. I kick back on the sofa. Say it. Kick back. Again, kick back. I watch a short show. I unwind. Unwind means relax after a busy day. I unwind with a cup of tea. Say it. Unwind. Good. Then I check my phone. I have many messages. I need to catch up on my messages. Catch up on something means do or finish something that you have not done yet. I catch up on my messages. Say it. Catch up on my messages. Nice. It is 9 at night. I feel sleepy. I decide to wind down. Wind down means slowly become more relaxed before sleeping. I turn off the bright lights. I wind down. Say it. Wind down. Again. Wind down. Before bed, I set an alarm. I set an alarm for 7 tomorrow morning. Say it. Set an alarm. Good. I also lay out my clothes for tomorrow. Lay out means put something ready in a place. I lay out my clothes. Say it. Lay out my clothes. Excellent. I look at my work bag. I pack up my things. Pack up means put your things together and prepare to leave or finish. I pack up my bag. Say it. Pack up. Great. Now I go to my bedroom. I hit the hay. Hit the hay means go to bed. It is a friendly, informal idiom. I am tired, so I hit the hay. Say it. Hit the hay. Again, hit the hay. Before I sleep, I think about my day. I feel good because I made it through the day. This means I finished the day, especially when it was busy or difficult. I made it through the day. Say it. Made it through the day. Good. Now I turn in. Turn in can mean go to bed. I turn in at 10:30. Say it. Turn in. Nice. I close my eyes. I am ready to sleep. But let's practice our 40 idioms one more time. I will say the phrase, you repeat it. Hit the snooze button, get out of bed, wake up, freshen up, get ready, grab a bite, make a move, on the go. Get into the swing of things. Get down to business. Get the ball rolling. Keep on top of things. Lend a hand. Snowed under. Take a breather. Keep at it. Take a break. Pick up the pace. Zone out. Get back on track. Cross it off your list. Wrap things up. Call it a day. Catch up with a friend. Take it easy. Take care of. Clean up. Tidy up. Kick back. Unwind. Catch up on something. Wind down. Set an alarm. Lay out your clothes. Pack up. Hit the hay. Make it through the day. Turn in. Let's review. Hit the snooze button means sleep longer. Wake up means stop sleeping. Freshen up means get clean. Get ready means prepare. On the go means busy. Get down to business means start work. Lend a hand means help. Snowed under means busy. Take a breather means rest. Keep at it means continue. Zone out means stop paying attention. Call it a day means stop work. Take it easy means relax. Hit the hay means go to bed. Remember, you do not need to learn everything today. Choose 5 phrases first. Use them tomorrow. When you wake up, say, I need to get out of bed. When you get ready, say, I need to freshen up. When you start work, say, time to get down to business. When you finish work, say, I can call it a day. At night, say, I'm going to hit the hay. Small practice makes big progress. Thank you for spending this day with me. This is David from Talk English Every Day. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep using simple English every day. You do not need perfect English. You only need practice. Take it easy, keep at it, and I will see you in the next episode. Good night and keep speaking English.